of the many uses of salt. It is used in cooking, because otherwise food would be flavorless. Salt is also beneficial to soak your feet or adding it to the tub. Hey Julia, what are you singing? But today, let's focus on another excellent use of salt. Remember yesterday's video with all the snow? Well, what if you do have to get out of the house on a day like that? Maybe you have to go to work. Hey, speaking of work, there are people that work for the city where you live who load up these massive trucks with salt. No, not for cooking. No, they're not going to take a bath. That mountain of salt in the back of the truck is slowly dispersed onto the road. And it's the salt that prevents the snow and ice from messing up your car in an accident. So, now you know that salt and snow do not get along. Speaking of snow, what is the first sound? You're quicker than ever. There it is. S. What about number 2? Snow. Yeah, we need another yellow one. S. The last one. Yep. 3 ways of spelling O. We've talked about this one, and then there were 2. It's not this one. OA is for words that have the O in the middle of the word. But in the case of snow, it's the last sound. So let's grab it. S. O. Let's use this black paper, which is kind of the color of the roads, and think of these as the driving lanes where those truckers drive. Snow. S. O. How did you know? Today, we are going to use salt to cover up the part that I want you to remember. Wow, that's crusty. Let's sound it out together. Touch the the screen. O. And that, my friends, is how you spell O at the end of a word. O-W. Oh no! I forgot to put salt in the dish that I'm making. Gotta go, but thanks for watching!